Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your funds with Zelle, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your funds with Zelle, start by ensuring you have a Zelle compatible bank account. Download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play if your bank doesn't offer Zelle directly. Open the app and tap Sign Up to create an account. You will be prompted to enter your email address or phone number linked to your bank account. Next, verify your identity by following the on-screen instructions. Once verified, link your bank account by providing the necessary banking information. After linking your account, you will need to set up your payment preferences. Now, tap on the Send Money option on the home screen. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Specify the amount you wish to send. You can add a note for the recipient if desired. Review the details of your transaction carefully to ensure accuracy. Then, tap Send to initiate the transfer. The recipient will receive a notification about the incoming funds. They can access the funds almost instantly if they are already enrolled in Zelle. If they are not enrolled, encourage them to sign up to receive their money. After sending, you will receive a confirmation of the transaction. You can view your transaction history within the app for your records. Should you encounter any issues, refer to the app's help section for troubleshooting tips. Zelle transfers are typically quick and secure, making it a convenient option for sending money. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.